Right now at Show Flooring, we are in the middle of our huge Memorial Day sale. It is going on now until May 31st. And we've got deals across the entire store, but in this video specifically, I want to talk about vinyl plank flooring. And we've got glue down and click lock. Glue down starting at 49 cents a square foot and click lock starting at 99 cents a square feet. Absolutely crazy deals. And let's jump into some really cool deals right now. All right, so right off the bat, you see we got our huge wall of STAINMASTER right here. STAINMASTER Barnes Oak. We're giving it away for an absolutely insane price of $1.25 a square foot. Now this retails for $3.49 a square foot. It's a really nice brand name STAINMASTER. It's got the 12 mil wear layer, nice modern gray color, and you aren't going to find it anywhere in this state. You won't find it anywhere nationally for $1.25 a square foot. It is an absolutely insane deal, and you can only get it now here at Show Flooring until May 31st. And right next door, another awesome brand name, LifeProof. We got the Walnut Glen for $1.89 a square foot, half of retail price. 22 mil wear layer, super durable, and it's got the nice, sort of darker, natural wood look color. It's been really popular, and you want to get in on these deals while you still can. And let's go around and show you some more awesome deals we got in stock. As you can see, we are overflowing with pallets of high quality vinyl plank flooring. We got a ton of great options and a ton of great deals in stock, available now until May 31st. And like we've said before, if you like any of the awesome options that we have in stock and you want a quote on what it would cost to get it installed, we do offer installation and free estimates. We have fantastic installers that we have on staff. We have over 700 reviews across Google, Yelp, Facebook, anywhere where people can leave a review. But let's take a look at some more of these awesome options you can either buy by the box in our warehouse store, or since everything's in stock, we can do super quick installations. Look at these. We got more 12 mil wear layer plank options starting at $1.25. We got the 3, we got the gray, we've got the nice natural, and the more of a brown 12 mil wear layer. Kid and pet friendly. A great wear layer option. Can be used for rentals also. We got this really nice extra thick option that's been super popular. We got tons of awesome name brands. We got Pergo, STAINMASTER, LifeProof, MSI, Shaw. We've got it all. And we are giving them away for insane deals right now. For people who like it extra thick, super deal on this one. We've got a couple more extra thick options over here. This one in particular, this Cortec, retails for over $12 a square foot, and we are selling it for $2.49 a square foot right now. You can't beat that deal anywhere. And it's got the really nice noise reducing extra soft padding on the back. Really nice high quality stuff. We got the Shaw Forte over here. Coming back around, we got the Tile Look Mohawk, Brooklyn Basin Macone, 99 cents a square foot. We got an awesome pair of 20 mil wear layer options, the lighter and the darker gray. Can't beat that for 20 mil wear layer. Another 99 cent Pergo option. Let's pop on over to glue down. Right off the bat, we've got another one of our can't miss deals with the Voyager Collins Cherry. 49 cents a square foot for a 20 mil wear layer. You can't beat that anywhere for high quality vinyl plank flooring. We sell glue as well, and we just got in these really nice extra thick glue down options. These are retailing for around $5 a square foot, but not here. $1.75 a square foot. Few different color options. We also have a few options with simulated grout lines because, you know, we got different styles, something for everybody. Pellets on pellets on pellets on pellets. So if you see something you like in this video, or you want to take a better look in person, come right down to our warehouse store located near Midway Airport, and you want to get in here before May 31st to get some of these absolutely can't miss deals. We can't wait to help you out. Thanks for watching.